I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to stay updated with your transactions on Mercado Pago, activating notifications is a straightforward process. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Open the app. Launch the Mercado Pago app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu, usually found in the profile section. Look for the gear icon or the settings option. Step 3. Find notifications. In the settings menu, locate the notifications section. This is where you can manage all your notification preferences. Step 4. Enable notifications. Toggle the notifications switch to the on position. You may also have options to customize which types of notifications you want to receive. Step 5. Test notifications. Make a small transaction or ask a friend to send you money to ensure notifications are working. If you don't receive a notification, double check your phone's notification settings. Now you're all set to receive notifications from Mercado Pago. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to revisit the settings. Happy transacting.